All right, now we're gonna cook it. Come on. Yes, I'm gonna hold up the phone in our super bright kitchen.
So in other words, you're gonna sit there and all the thought, I always do, is cook separate.
I'll help. All right, let's see. Okay, we got our poblano, lime, tomatoes, pineapple, cilantro, sour cream, tortillas, another lime and tomato, seasonings,
Pineapple.
and the onion. Okay, now we also need to get the beef out of that box. Can you get the beef? All right.
Where's the beef?
Okay, so
In the cow.
we got our step-by-step instructions for the yummy pineapple poblano beef tacos. Okay. All right, the first step is to add together all of our items. We needed a strainer, medium bowl, small bowl, large pan, paper towel, and vegetable oil. So we have got that prepared and ready. So let's begin. Step 1 is to wash and dry all the produce and finely chop and dice our onion, core and seed the poblanos, core and seed the tomatoes, chop the cilantro, half the lime, drain the pineapple. So we'll see you in a moment. Okay, the poblanos have been chopped, the onions diced, the lemons wedged, the pineapples drained, cilantro chopped, and onions, our tomatoes, we decided to cut these down really small because we like more of a pico rather than the big chunks of tomato. So now, on to step 2. All right, here we go. Step 2. Mix tomatoes.
All of them?
Yes, sir. The pineapple.
All of it?
Yes. 2 tablespoons of onion. Tablespoon is the big one. A half a cup of poblano. Cups are right in front of you in the drawer. The metal ones. Okay, half of the cilantro. And 1/2 of the lime squeezed. Okay, mix that up really good. And that is our sweet and spicy pico. Okay, and then in this bowl, you mix the sour cream
All of it?
Yes. Unless you'd like to save one aside, but for just plain sour cream, but you're supposed to mix the sour cream with the other half of the lemon squeezed. But we have sour cream in there if you want plain sour cream, but this is going to be supposed to be in place of the sour cream.
What's this?
Sour cream.
Don't know.
It's just supposed to be like a sauce. Messy job. All right, so into the sour cream. Here, give me all the pieces and I'll throw them away. Squeeze that other half of a lemon in it after you wash your hands. And then it says season with some salt and pepper. And then squeeze a little more lime to taste. Whoa, that's a lot of salt.
Squeeze right now?
The other half of the lime. You should have 2 halves. You only used 1/2 in that.
One in there and one in there.
Oh, you've already squeezed one. Okay, mix it up. And then you add more lime to taste. So after you get it all mixed up, taste it.
Just like sour cream, lime, pepper, and salt.
Yes. Okay, does it need more lime?
No, it's fine.
Okay. Now, put both of those to the side. And the next thing you do is you heat a tablespoon of oil in our pan over medium-high, and we'll add the remaining onion and poblanos and season with salt and pepper and one of the taco seasoning packets. So, we'll see you again in a moment. Hear that sizzle? Looks good. Okay, we'll cook that down and be right back. Okay, now that that's been cooked down, it's time to add the hamburger. And he'll break this apart, season it a little bit more with some salt and pepper, and the other packet of taco seasoning. And we'll be back once this is cooked down. Okay, the meat has cooked down. We've added the pineapple juice to the mixture. He's just warming it up nice and good. And we're gonna warm up our tortillas and then assemble the tacos. Okay, here is our assembly line for putting our tacos together. Yummy, yummy. Okay, now as you assemble them, honey, I want you to just put all 10 of them along here so I can take it to the table. So, first one. Hold on.